start another problem. If the coefficient of x power 9 in the expansion alpha x cube plus 1 by beta x whole power 11 and the coefficient of x power minus 9 in the expansion alpha x minus 1 by beta x cube whole power 11 are equal and both coefficients are equal, we should find alpha beta whole square value. Okay, let's start. Solution. The general term of alpha x cube plus 1 by beta x whole power 11 is tr plus 1 is equal to 11 cr alpha x cube whole power 11 minus r 1 by beta x whole power r, that is equal to 11 cr alpha power 11 minus r x cube whole power 11 minus r 1 by beta power r into x power r. Okay, 11 cr alpha power 11 minus r in denominator beta power r, x power 11 into 3 33 minus r into 3 minus 3r into 1 by x power r. X power r taking numerator 11 cr alpha power 11 minus r in denominator beta power r, x power 33 minus 3r into x power minus r. Okay, bases are equal, power should be added. Tr plus 1 is equal to 11 cr alpha power 11 minus r beta power r, x power minus 3r minus r is minus 4r, 33 minus 4r. This is equation number 1. Okay, we find coefficient of x power 9. Then 33 minus 4r is equal to 9. 33 minus 4r is equal to 9. That implies 33 minus 9 is equal to 4r. That implies 33 minus 9 is 24 equal to 4r. 4 6 are 24. R is equal to 6. Substitute in equation number 1. 1 implies t 6 plus 1 is equal to 11c6 alpha power 11 minus 6 in denominator beta power 6, x power 33 minus 4r is 9. R value in this place substitute, you can get also 9. X power 9. The coefficient of x power 9 is 11c6. In this expansion, the coefficient of x power 9 is 11c6 alpha power 5 by beta power 6. This is number 2. Okay, next another expansion. The general term of alpha x minus 1 by beta x cube whole power 11 is tr plus 1 is equal to 11 cr alpha x whole power 11 minus r, here having minus 1 power r. Okay, 1 by beta x cube whole power r minus 1 power r into 11 cr alpha power 11 minus r x power 11 minus r 1 by beta power r x cube whole power r minus 1 power r into 11 cr alpha power 11 minus r by beta power r x power 11 minus r into x power 3 whole power r is x power 3r, taking numerator x power minus 3r. tr plus 1 is equal to minus 1 power r 11 cr alpha power 11 minus r beta power r into x power 11 minus bases are equal, power should be added, minus r minus 3r minus 4r. This is number 1. We find in this expansion coefficient of x power minus 9, then 11 minus 4r is equal to minus 9. Okay, 11 plus 9 is equal to 4r, 20 is equal to 4r. 5 implies r is equal to 5. Okay, r is, this is number 3. Okay, substitute in equation number 3. 3 implies 3 t 3 plus 1 minus 1 power 3 is minus 11c3, 11 r alpha power 11 minus, sorry, t 5 plus 1 11c5. Okay, minus 1 power 5 is minus 1. Alpha power 11 minus 5 by beta power 5 into x power 11 minus 20. R value substitute in this place. 11 minus 20 is minus 9. This value totally 11 minus 4r is minus 9. Okay, the coefficient of x power minus 9 is minus 11c5 alpha power 6 by beta power 5. This is number 4. Equating 2 and 4. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఉన్నదా? Equating 2 and 4. Okay, 11c6 alpha power 5 by beta power 6 is equal to minus 11c5 alpha power 6 by beta power 5. Okay, 11c6 is equal to 11c5. 11 factorial by 6 factorial into 11 minus 6 factorial. 11 factorial by 5 factorial into 11 minus 5 factorial. 11 factorial by 6 factorial into 11 minus 6 is 5 factorial. 11 factorial by 5 factorial into 11 minus 5 is 6 factorial. Both are same. Okay. 11c, since 11c6 is equal to 11c5. These two terms are cancelled. Okay, all 5 times cancel, you are having 1 time. 5 times cancel, you are having 1 time. Okay, 1 by beta is equal to minus alpha. That implies 1 is equal to cross multiplication minus alpha beta. Implies multiplying with both side minus 1 is equal to alpha beta. If you want alpha beta whole square, alpha beta whole square is equal to minus 1 whole square. That is 1. This is the final answer. That's enough. The next, another problem. The coefficient of x power 70 in the expansion x square into 1 plus x whole power 98 plus x cube into 1 plus x whole power 97 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x whole power 96 and so on x power 54 into 1 plus x whole power 46 is 99 cp minus 46 cq. Then positive value of p plus q is, first option is 61, second option is 55, third is 83, fourth is 68. Okay, this is very very important in JEE mains question. You observe carefully. Now solution, given expansion is given that x square into 1 plus x whole power 98 plus x cube into 1 plus x whole power 97 x power 4 into 1 plus x whole power 96 plus and so on plus x power 54 into 1 plus x whole power 46. Okay, you observe carefully here x square into 1 plus x whole power 98 is common term, common. In this place having 1, x square common, here only x. Okay, 1 by and 1 by x by 1 plus x. X square into x, x cube. 1 plus x whole power 98 by 1 plus x, one time cancel 97. Here x square by 1 plus x whole square. X square into x square, x power 4. 98, 1 plus x whole power 98 divided by 1 plus x square. 2 times cancel 96 and so on. Here 2 times cancel, here x power 52 by 1 plus x whole power 52. X square into x power 52, x power 54. 98 minus 52, 46. Okay. In this bracket having in GP, here first term is A, 1. Common ratio is x by second term by first term or third term by second term. You can get a common ratio 1 plus x. Okay. X square into 1 plus x whole power 98 into 1 minus r power n. N value is 1, 2, 3 up to 52. Total 53 terms. R power, R means x by 1 plus x whole power 53. In denominator 1 minus r, 1 plus x, x by 1 plus x. Okay. This can be written as x square into 1 plus x whole power 98 into 1 minus x power 53 in denominator 1 plus x whole power 53 by 1 plus x minus x by 1 plus x. One time cancel having 52. Okay, minus x plus x cancel. This implies that is equal to x square into 1 plus x whole power 98 is equal to 1 plus x whole power 52 into 1, 1 plus x whole power 52 minus x power 52 by 1 plus x whole power 52. 52 times cancelled. Here, sorry, here 53 having 52. 1 minute. Right. Okay. Just wait. Last step again, right in this here. Okay. Again, x square into 1 plus x whole power 98 in this bracket. Here LCM 1 plus x whole power 53. 1 plus x whole power 53 into 1 plus x whole power 53 minus x cube. In denominator LCM is 1 plus x. 1 plus x into 1 plus x minus x. Minus x plus x cancel. One time cancel here 52. Okay. That is equal to x square into 1 plus x whole power 98 into 1 plus x whole power 53 minus x cube, x power 53, sorry, x power 53 by 1 plus x whole power 52. This cancel is having 46. X square into 46 plus 53, 99. 1 plus x whole power 99 minus x square into x power 53, x power 55 into 1 plus x whole power 46. This can be written as x square into summation r is equal to 0 to 99, 99 CR x power r minus x power 55 into summation r equal to 0 to 46, 46 CR into x power r. Okay, if you want coefficient of x power 70, okay, we find coefficient of x power 70. Then here x square is there, you should find 7 here 70 means here x square is there, 68 into 68 plus 2 70, so 99 c 68 x power 68, x power 68 into x square x power 70. So r value is, you should find, you can substitute 68. Okay, 99 c 68 minus here x power 55 is there, 55 plus 15 is 17, so r value can be substitute 15. So coefficient of x power 70 is 46c 15. Okay, that is equal to 99 cp minus 46 cq. Here p is equal to 68, q is equal to 15, or p is equal to 31, or 46 minus 15, 31, 99, oh, sorry, 31, 99 minus 68 also 31, q is also 31, 99 minus 68 31, 46 minus 15 also 31. So p equal to 68 or 31, q is equal to 15 or 31. Okay, p plus q is equal to 68 plus 15, that equal to 83. This is the correct answer. Or you can get 68 plus 31, 15 plus 31. Okay, another value came. In option 83 is correct. If you have any doubts, drop a comment. Thank you.